Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be going over a new Lavalier microphone I bought. I did just do a video like 3 weeks ago on one, and I kind of learned my lesson from it because I did go cheap, and there's just a lot of issues with editing and stuff like that. Just made it a little more difficult. So I decided to spend a little bit more to get a better quality one. So the one I got is a Shure MVL, and it's a clip-on like the other one, but I guess I will just do an unboxing and then I will test it in my computer and then test it on my phone. So let's go. Okay, so I took some of the stuff out of the bag already, but I'll explain that why in a second. So the first thing is, you get this nice little carrying bag. You can see they got their little logo thing printed on it. Kind of small, but I guess it's nice to carry that in. Next thing is we actually have the microphone. Actually, why I opened it already is I had to get a measurement on how long this thing was. I could not find it. And I took a tape measure to it, and it is about 52 inches long. So it seems kind of short. Kind of wish it was a little longer, but I guess you can always buy like an extension or something like that. And then you have this little bag which has the clip. Let me get both of them out of there. Come out. There we go. So clip feels pretty nice, feels pretty sturdy. And then pretty much all you have to do to hook the microphone up is there's a little notch right here. You just slide the microphone in there. It clicks, and that is pretty much it. And then the last thing is a windscreen, which slides right over the top, has a nice little rubber end to it, and now it's protected from the wind. Oh, and as always, there's a bunch of informational stuff. You get your pretty much your instructions, you get your limited warranty, and then you get a safety precaution. So I don't know, probably will not read any of those. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up to my computer, which I got a mic jack right in the front of my case, which makes this a lot easier. If it was behind my computer, this may be a little more difficult to do. So other than that, all I got to do is clip it on myself. Since it has a little clip, all you got to do is just clip onto a piece of clothing. Just like that. It does say to keep it between 6 and 10 inches away from your mouth. I guess that's just for best audio input, or well, quality. So let's see what this thing sounds like. Okay, so this is what the Shure MVL sounds like. Is it bad? Is it good? I don't know. I will find out afterwards. Okay, so I just played the clip back, and the only thing I could really pick up on is there is a slight ringing in the background. Which that's something I could always clean up and edit in with noise reduction or whatnot. So this isn't the primary way I'm going to be using this lavalier. I'm going to be mostly using it on my phone. So since I use an Apple phone, the only thing I really have to do is have this adapter to pretty much plug the 3.5 millimeter jack into this, so I can plug this into the lightning port end. So I guess let's see what that sounds like. Okay, so this is what the Shure MVL sounds like hooked up to my iPhone. I'm hoping the audio quality is good, but I really won't know until I actually listen to the clip back, so I don't know. I guess we will find out soon. So I just listened to the clip back and it actually sounds pretty good, so I'm actually happy about that. Like I said before, I'm going to be mostly using this pretty much on the go for like when I go on trips, or even if I'm working on my car or something like that. I just want to have a little better audio quality for pretty much make me sound better. Also, for when I actually have to edit it, it's a lot less stuff I have to clean up in the end. So I am happy with this. Okay, so before we wrap this up, there is one thing I failed to mention before, and that is the price. I did buy this off Amazon and I paid $69 for it. Nice. So other than that, I will leave an affiliate link down below. Maybe you'll be able to find it cheaper than I did, but I don't know. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, you know where to leave them. And that's going to be it. So I'll see you all in the next one.